Hey there, art enthusiasts! Ready to have your mind blown with some absolutely shocking art facts? Stick around, because you won't believe these. First up, did you know the Mona Lisa has no eyebrows? That's right, Leonardo da Vinci never finished the Mona Lisa, and her missing eyebrows are one of those unfinished touches. Some art historians think they got wiped out during a restoration. Imagine that. Now let's talk about Vincent van Gogh. This legendary painter only sold one painting in his lifetime. Yep, you heard that right. The Red Vineyard was his one and only sale. How crazy is that? But wait, it gets better. Salvador Dalí, the surrealist genius, designed the Chupa Chups logo. In 1969, he created that iconic daisy-shaped logo we all know and love. Seriously, art is everywhere, folks. Speaking of expensive tastes, Leonardo da Vinci's Salvator Mundi holds the record for the most expensive painting ever sold, a whopping $450.3 million at auction in 2017. That's some serious cash for a masterpiece. And here's a fun fact that will turn your world upside down, literally. Contrary to popular belief, Michelangelo did not paint the Sistine Chapel lying down. Nope, he stood on scaffolding and painted above his head. Talk about a neck workout. Next up, Pablo Picasso. This guy was a prodigy. He could draw before he could walk, and his first word was pencil. Imagine a baby Picasso sketching away, adorable and genius all rolled into one. Feeling stressed? Art can help. So go ahead, channel your inner artist and let those worries melt away. Here's another gem about Van Gogh. He painted the Starry Night while in a mental asylum. The swirling skies reflect his emotional turmoil at the time. Heartbreaking and beautiful all at once. Ancient Egyptian art. Ever notice how it looks a bit different? That's because it wasn't meant to be realistic. It was all about religious and symbolic purposes, depicting the idealized forms of gods and pharaohs. Pretty deep, huh? And finally, the mysterious Banksy. This street artist's true identity remains a secret. Despite his global fame, no one knows who Banksy really is. A modern-day art mystery, so there you have it. Some shocking art facts that will blow your mind. For more thought-provoking content, subscribe and hit the notification bell for Alex Studio. Until next time, keep your artistic spirits high. See you next time.